Hello everyone. Today we will continue the same lesson, my family and home. So today we are going to learn about keeping the house clean and beautiful. A clean and tidy house is pleasing. When we enter in a clean and tidy house, we feel happy. It gives us immense pleasure. So we should keep our house clean and tidy. If there is a mess everywhere, no one can find their things on time. If all things are spread everywhere, we can't get our things on a time. So we should keep them properly. Keeping the house clean and tidy is the responsibility of every person in the family. Keeping the house clean and tidy is the responsibility of all the family members. We should not throw rubbish in the dustbin and not throw it around. Papers, all the waste material, all these rubbish we should keep into the dustbin. Garbage should never be thrown outside the house. Means vegetable peels, papers, waste material we should not throw outside the house. This will help to keep the environmental clean. Clean and tidy house keep us happy. Likewise, clean environmental also keep us happy. Always remember, wet and dry garbage should be separated and put into separate bins. Wet garbage means vegetable peels, fruit peels we should keep in a separate bins, and dry garbage means paper, plastic, glasses we should into the separate bin, because using a wet garbage we can make a manure. Manure means supplement things that we use for plants to grow. Paper, glass and metal, these kind of garbage we can recycle them and we can use them again. Do you know the use of electronic devices like mobiles, CDs, DVDs, pen drives and computers has increased greatly. The use of these electronic devices has increased. Everyone has used it in the lots of times. When these things are damaged, they become useless. When the pen drive, mobiles, computer, when they broken, we can't use them. They become useless. They gives rise to e-waste. When they damage, when they broke up, we can't use them, and they give a rise to e-waste. The disposal of e-waste is a big problem. We can't dispose them. Now let's learn about decorating the house. Get together and decide how you want to decorate the house. With the help of your siblings, you think about how to decorate the house. Ask adult to help with those things that you can't do yourself, and while decorating, take your parents' help also. What materials have you used for the decoration? You can use flowers, papers, rangoli to decorate your house, and take your parent help also to decorate your house. In the list of material given below, put a cross against these material that should not be used as far as possible. Thermocol, plastic and chemical colors should not be used as far as possible, because these things are harmless for the people and animals also. So don't use thermocol, plastic and chemical colors. So read all the lesson whatever you